Hi, good day, Ma'am Alili. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Alili Herrera. I am 49 years old. I am married with no kids. I am a college graduate and
All right.
I
Then
live
what?
in Dumingag, Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur.
All right, noted. And then what course did you took in your college?
I graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
All right. Then how many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Okay. Then how would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, hardworking, and patient. Cheerful. That's it.
All all right. Then what is your marital status?
I am married.
Okay. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
To save for the future, ma'am.
Right. Then do you have any?
Saving money for the future.
Okay. Then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I worked in Taiwan for 6 years, 1997 till 2005 as a factory worker. Then I have a part-time job as an housekeeper po,
All
as
right.
a housekeeper.
All right. And then what is your duties and responsibilities as housekeeper in Taiwan?
Cleaning the room, toiletries, cooking sometimes, then grooming the pets, grooming dogs.
Okay. And then do you have work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a nanny since 2018 till 2024.
All right. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Please
Yes, ma'am.
indicate your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines.
Cleaning the room, cleaning all around cleaning. Then sometimes pampering the children.
All
That's it.
right. Okay. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I
Then
had
how
also experience.
Okay. Then how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Patience.
Okay.
For me,
Then
I will talk to them in a nice way to cut the tantrums, then show them affection. That's it.
all right. Then how about if their newborn baby is crying at night?
Crying at night, check the baby if they are wet or they are hungry.
Okay.
Feed them, clean. They need cleaning.
Okay. Then what will you do if you become homesick?
Homesick. Uh, I will keep myself busy and focus myself to my duty to finish my contract.
Okay. Then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, because I have a lot of dogs in our home.
All right.
Dogs and cats.
Okay. Then are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I can cook Filipino dishes, vegetables, adobo, kare-kare, and sinigang.
Okay. Then are you willing to learn new dishes?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to learn new dishes.
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you
No.
eat everything?
Yes.
All right. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink
Yes.
alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have
No, I don't smoke.
do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am. No.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are
It's
you
all right.
willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's okay.
Okay, and then are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm willing to.
all right, for the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. I am applying as a domestic helper or whatever the job in your hiring, and I can promise I can do my duty well. I can finish my contract, and you can trust me. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and cheerful, and I promise to treat your family as my own. That's it.
Thank you.